Marudamalai is a sacred hill where every sunrise feels like a divine blessing. The ancient temple stands gracefully amidst emerald green forests. The sacred climb of approximately 837 steps is believed as a journey of faith where every step is offered as a heartfelt prayer to Lord Murugan. As devotees reach the hilltop temple, they feel that the efforts of the climb transforms into peace, gratitude, and the joy of receiving the Lord's divine blessings. Legends say that Lord Murugan chose this hill to shower courage, wisdom, and compassion upon humanity. The elders say that the hills, beautiful forests, healing herbs, and serene atmosphere reflect the purity and wisdom that Lord Murugan wished to share with humanity. It is believed that every devotee who climbs this sacred hill with sincere faith leaves behind their worries, receives strength, hope, and divine grace. The villagers often say that Murugan still walks among these hills in spirit, protecting the forest, the wildlife, and everyone who comes seeking his blessings. Whether one comes as a pilgrim or a traveler, Marudamalai is welcoming every heart with the boundless love, genuine smiles, and compassion, making every visit a spiritual experience. Every stone on the hill becomes an echo. Every stone on the hill seems to echo centuries of devotion and timeless faith. The cool breeze carries the fragrance of herbs, flowers, and ancient memories. While walking through the steps, we can see peacocks dance very freely, reminding every visitor the Murugan's eternal presence. The rich biodiversity of the hill makes it a living classroom of nature and ecology. Bird songs and rustling, rustling, bird songs and rustling leaves create a melody that calms even the busiest mind. The simple lifestyle of the villagers reflects a deep respect for nature, tradition, and community. Every step to the temple becomes a journey of self discovery and inner peace. Marudamalai beautifully unites spirituality, culture, history, and environmental harmony. A visit to Marudamalai is an unforgettable conversation between the soul and nature. Every visit gives us not just beautiful, marvelous photographs, but also a heartfelt perseverance to progress.